Hey guys, Dexter here from Dexter's Workshop. So after a little bit of hustle and tussle, I've managed to make my own workflow regarding the PCB milling, and I'm going to share it with you. As you may know, I'm using a 6040 CNC with 1.5 kilowatt water-cooled spindle. The most important thing that you can think of when you're milling PCBs are the tools. So right now I'm using, let's see if I can make it focus here, but you can see it here. I'm using a 90-degree Vcut cutter from Raw Tools, which is a direct importer of HP Tech from Germany. The quality is amazing. The quality of the cut is also very good. But long story short, you will see that for yourself. Right now we are going to mill a small PCB, and we are going to zero in everything using the active probe. So I'm going to zero in the tool. Let's see what happened here. What? Okay, this is good. This is good. That's strange. Oh yeah, because of the tool that I'm using to hold the phone, it was ground in place. So yeah, now everything should be quite okay. Okay. It will retreat 1 inch and going to zero the Z-axis. I'm going to load the G-code here. Okay. And I do recommend the use of a little bit of W40 or any cutting oil, just to be, to have it there. It's also very good to keep the dust away. So we are going to cycle start. So that was about the milling process. I'm going to blow it a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to change the bit to a drill bit. Let's see if I can squeeze around here. using 0.8 millimeter drill bit. I'm going to put it in the collet, put it back in. Sorry for the noise, that is my air compressor, so we're going to tighten up the collets. Everything works a little bit harder because the camera is in my way, so we are going down. Okay, and we are not going to touch the material, not right yet, and we are going to zero in the Z-axis again because it's a different tool. Okay, and we are going to load the drill file, and we are going to place cycle start. Of course, the feed rates can be higher. I'm running right now at 150 millimeters per minute, so I can go higher with the feed rate, but at this particular point, just for testing, it's more than enough. That's about it for the drilling operation. Okay, everything is in place. Now we are going to change the final tool, and that it will be the one for the cutting. Okay. I'm not going to use a standard end mill for cutting because this particular material, it's fiberglass, also known as FR4, and using an end mill will dull it quite quickly. So I'm using, here you can see, a special tool for composite materials. So I cannot stress enough and tell you that using the right tools and the tools that were designed for a specific job, it's very important to achieve quality in the end. And that's something I found out in the hard way, because I thought, hey, I can use a end mill for I don't know, for anything actually. Well, it's not like that, you know. So we are going down with the head, and we are not going to touch it again, but we are going to offset and probe and going to Z-probe it. Okay. So right now I'm going to load the G-code for the cut. Okay. Original toolpath, and we are going to press cycle start. Well, that was it. Let's see how it turned out. Well, what can I say? Turned out excellent. Let's see. First of all, let's put it out and clear this moist stuff, which basically is double tape. In just a second. And there you go. Quite a perfect mill PCB. Yes, it's double-sided, this one, and I didn't want to turn it around and mill it on the other side for pad clearance, but this is how it goes. So quite happy with the results. Very happy with the results. One more thing that also learned it in the hard way. Okay. That's a tip that you don't hear it much along the line. So when you are putting the tool in your collet, don't leave it like this, okay? The end of the tool should go over the end of the collet, okay? It's very important, because when you're going to tie up everything, you can actually break the collet, because there is nothing to hold the forces even here. So when we are going to tie them up, you're going to break it. So put your tool outside like this. Hope you find this thing useful, and if you have questions, don't hesitate to tell me. Bye guys, this is Dexter from Dexter's Workshop. Take care of you.